So here we're going to set up Claude Code locally without a subscription. This assumes that you followed all my previous tutorials. Check the description for more information. Open up Visual Studio Code, then go to Extensions. Then look for Claude Code for VS Code and install it. Then look for the Claude Code icon. It should appear on your side here. Then you want to click on Run Claude in Terminal. Then if you followed my previous tutorials, you should go to WSL and log into Ubuntu. You can do this from PowerShell. Once you're in, type in Docker PS to see all the running containers. You should see the local AI container name running on port 32288. Then type this command to see your available models. So this file you can actually get from my GitHub in the description below. You need to change the name here. Also make sure you have the correct port number that we created earlier, and also the model that you're using. You need to change it here. When you have everything set up, run the script. After that, go to Visual Studio Code and create a new folder for a project you want to work with. Here I created a project called Hello World, so I go to Claude icon and then run Claude in Terminal. Then log in to WSL from here. Then make sure you're in the correct directory where your project is located. Finally, type in Claude and hit enter. Then select Trust this folder. You can ask Claude to use our model and then create whatever we want. Here I ask to create a basic Python script. Now obviously you can use other models, and it might be better to use a coder model which is specifically trained on programming. Like and subscribe if this helped you out. Thank you.